I'm going to teach you everything that I think is worthwhile in iOS 17 and why you should upgrade. First things first. Boom! As you just seen, this is contact photos and poster sharing between phone and phone. To do this, all you got to do is go to your phone book, My Card, and click on contact photos and posters. All you have to do is choose an emoji or a photo of your choice. Now I'm going to use this one just for fun. And you can swipe left or right to choose different settings. Click on the font, you can adjust the font, the size, and the color as well. All you got to do is just pair your phone with another iOS 17 device, and boom, just like that. Now, not only are you able to transfer contact photos, you can also transfer your websites as well as your photos. And then all you got to do is just do the same thing, connect your phones together, like so. Boom. And just like that, the photos have been transferred across. Widgets have now been upgraded as well with more designs and interactiveness. For example, I have Apple Music, and now you can just interact with the widgets by pressing on the play and pause button. We also have screen distance, which protects your eyes from getting too close to your phone. Go to settings, go to screen time, and then go to screen distance. You can turn this on or off. It will alert you once you hold your phone or iPad too close to your face. Now you can also call FaceTime, but if the other person doesn't pick up, well, what you can do now is leave a video message. So click on record video. Hi, my name is George. Please give me a call back when you see this video. I'd love to hear from you. And the other person will get a text prompt, and all you have to do is click on the video. Hi, my name is George. Please give me a call back. And hopefully that person will give you a call back. Now photos have been slightly improved. Not only does it detect your face, it also detects your pet's face. Additional features including the ability to quickly crop your photos by just double tapping, okay? And click on the top right crop, and there you go, just like that. Now alternatively, if you want to crop to a certain aspect ratio, click and hold crop, and you can choose an aspect ratio. For example, square, click on crop, and it'll crop it into a square format. Now we can also make stickers from our photos. For example, hold, add sticker, and there you go. It's going to automatically add a sticker. You can add effects by changing the different effects that you have. And if this is a live photo, click on the live photo option, and the photo becomes animated. Simple as that. Now let's send this sticker to our friend who's yet to reply us. And then I'm going to click on the plus button on the side, choose stickers, and bang, just like that, your sticker is good to go. Now with messages, you can now also swipe to the right to reply to a certain message, reply, okay? At the same time, you can now also press the plus button and you can share your check-ins. Now click on edit, you can change the location, how you like to travel there, and once your friend reaches that destination, it's automatically going to send a check-in location to your friend or loved one. Perfect. Text message also has autocorrect and better suggestion. For example, hi there, my name is, and it's automatically going to suggest my name. Also, the blue line gives you auto suggestions, so you can click on it and you'll see the common words that you use often. And also, if you hold and adjust, the magnification is now bigger and more clearer and much more precise. Now Safari has slightly been upgraded as well. You can listen to the page if it's available in your local language, or you can translate, which is very intuitive. Okay. At the same time, you can also use the Safari tabs. So click on the tabs and you can see we have separate tabs. Okay. You can have a private section, you can have your usual browsing section, or you can customize. Makes it really convenient. Siri has now been changed from Hey Siri to Siri. All you gotta do is go to settings, Siri, and then choose Hey Siri or just Siri. Siri, set timer for 5 minutes. And there you go. For the first time, we're allowed to have multiple timers. Fantastic, something you should have had a long time ago. Now you can also share your AirTag with friends and relatives, makes it easier to find your missing dog. Now, do you get a lot of verification emails? Well, now you can delete this automatically for a peace of mind. Go to settings and then go to passwords, go to password options, and then click on automatically cleanup. This will automatically delete your verification codes in your messages and mails after inserting with autofill. Maps is also available to download offline depending on your region, so this doesn't work across the globe. You also have standby mode display. Now to do this, your phone must be in horizontal and charging on a stand, or place it somewhere secure, and then you can swipe to the left to reveal different screens, and then you can also go up and down to reveal different functionality or designs.